I just want to say there's a lot of us out here today, and
Who are you talking to?
we got to call this love, man. I want you all to hold hands, man, because
What?
this is love. If you've got food left over, you ought to share it, man.
Or freeze dry it.
Because we got a long day ahead of us, folks. This is incredible, man. We can make a difference.
Who the hell are you talking to?
We can make a change. First up, we got Syphil.
Whoa, what is going on? There is lights and a huge crowd. And cool. You guys are wasted. Dude, your eyes are dilated. Oh, anyways, music, rocket, party, rock stars, are you ready to rock with me? Rock stars. That's right. Now, rock stars, are you ready to rock with me? I can't get anybody's help. You know what I'm saying? Rock stars, are you ready to rock with me? I just fell out of bed and this was all here. You can rock stars. This is a good morning. Or it's night. Okay, I gotta go.